Test mic, test mic, test mic. Test mic, test mic. Alright, so today we have a special guest.
Hi!
So today Hidu,
Yes,
she will be preparing
a banana
cake.
bread.
We don't know, oh, bread. So let's check that out, and here are the ingredients. Ano naman yung music naman tani? Butter, sugar, mara. Pwede naman
Ang
tamad-tamad.
piliin ang sariling atin. From Philippines. So, one. No, it should be here.
Why?
Uy, inang ingon. That's a proper way.
But ang nutrients kinaaman sa tumoy sa banana.
But, muy ako nakuha na ako. I'm not sure.
Ay, di ko na lang ni ano nate. Bahala na lang na itong mga conversations dere. Di
Huh?
ko na ni i-edit out.
Why?
Because I want to. This is my vlog. This is my channel.
Nahinaw ko ha?
We washed our hands. Oh, she washed her hands.
Patay ka lisod ba ni?
Pero kaning nga part kay ako ni siyang ano. I-fast forward kay murag lisod jud kayo ang life.
Next, I want to put 2 eggs.
Okay, 2 eggs.
Where can I put the...
Oh, eggs. Boom. 1. We have like 20 minutes to prepare all of this. So we can hurry up if we want to. Rude lang. Okay.
It's fine. Let's take our time. It's still early.
Yeah, that's right. By the way, she's preparing to be a housewife in the future. Is that right?
Yeah, someday.
Yeah.
We don't know what the future holds.
Yeah, we gotta prepare some skills, especially cooking and baking and editing. Subscribe to No Budget Show. By the way, your siblings, they have YouTube channel as well, right?
Yes.
Yes. Why aren't you proud? You're not proud of them, like doing videos. Your brother edits good.
I forgot their name, their username.
Oh, why? I remember. It's about like
Sibling.
Velasquez siblings.
Varquez.
Varquez. Who's Velasquez?
Vasquez.
Okay.
And next, I'm gonna put some sugar.
Sugar. Yes, please. Na 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 na. Okay, never mind.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi.
Watermelon sugar.
Hi. Okay.
Is that enough?
Never enough.
Never getting back
Together
together.
we
Never, ever, ever.
getting. You gotta be quiet. Number 1 rule in Japan: if you're living by yourself or I don't know with someone else, let's try to be quiet.
And next,
Next,
I
yes,
will put 1 cup of milk.
milk, and that is the cheapest milk we can find in Matsugen, Milan. Matsugen.
This is No Budget Show.
Yes, exactly. That's right. So Matsugen.
So 1 cup is
Maybe 100 ml, maybe? I don't know. Because this is No Budget Show. We don't educate you much. Okay. There was this YouTuber, he said that when your ancestor tells you to stop, then you stop. Okay.
Milk.
Yes. This is actually no oven banana bread, like our banana loaf. We don't use oven. I don't have an oven. How can we cook this one?
And like
Do you? How can we cook?
and one
Spoonful?
spoonful maybe.
Spoonful?
Too much?
I think so. If baking powder is used to make it harden or something, yeah, sure. Yes. Yeah, come on. Let's try that one.
This much?
That much? I don't know.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Dili ini pang patubo ate.
No, ang pampatubo is
Soda?
yeast. Or you can use soda. So I expect that you put too much, so that would be like French bread later. It's hard, I think.
Like dry.
Kinda dry texture. But we don't know. Let's see. Because you put 2 eggs, I think it will balance, and you haven't put flour yet, right?
Yeah, not yet.
In putting the powder, we're supposed to like use this sniff stiff. I don't know that. Okay. Alright, since it's no budget show, we don't have the proper materials, so we're using this strainer. Okay, let me hold that one. Welcome to No Budget
Funny.
Show family. What? Is that enough? Or is that more than? Okay. You can put everything if you want to. Okay, sifting time. So I need to. This is multitasking. Wait, maybe I can do this.
Just
Wow. No budget show. No budget show.
yeah, no budget.
But enjoy the meal.
Yay!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. This is no budget show, so we're multi. I'm holding
Maybe I can do
camera.
it.
Are you sure? Then I can steer. What?
Yeah.
So that's the proper way. Use that part of your palm. Oh, that looks pretty. Pretty girls. Pretty girls said in my mama. No 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 no.
There's a lot of pretty girls.
In this city, are we sure? Are we sure about that?
That's
But I believe in Cebu there's a lot of pretty girls, and in
Bohol.
yes, well,
Toot toot toot.
okay, let me get that. Okay, it's all white.
I think we need to put more
Milk,
sugar.
okay, or we can use the condensed milk.
That's
No.
better.
Okay, whatever you need.
I'm excited for this.
Me too. But we were gonna taste this tomorrow for the breakfast, right? Yes. So let's see.
We will make it earlier because we're too lazy to wake up early.
That's true.
And
Life
prepare.
hack.
Yes.
Life hack. If you're too lazy to prepare your food in the morning, prepare it at night.
Well, that's how Japanese do
Yeah.
for their like obento.
No, I don't think so.
Some.
Some parents, they really wake up early, like around 5 or 6 a.m. to prepare the bentos for their family, and not just for one, for their child, but for their husband as well, right?
I have a story.
What's your, like, make sure it doesn't include the name of your
Of
your
course.
workplace.
Yeah, one time we need to bring obento at school, and I
Yes.
didn't bring mine because I don't know how to make my own obento.
Oh.
And one kid told me, "Why not prepare it at night so that you don't need to wake up early?" And he said, "That's what my mommy do."
Oh.
That's a good idea. So I did it.
Oh, and how was it?
It's much better. Life hack.
Life hack.
Yes.
Hashtag.
Make your obento at night.
Yeah, that makes sense actually. Your food will not be spoiled, right?
Whoa.
My first obento in Japan, I prepared it like a Filipino style, like just rice and viand, no side dish, like rice and main dish. And the children were surprised. No, my first obento was actually just salad, cabbage, ask love.
Not the broccoli with eggs?
Not the broccoli with eggs, just the salad and sesame something. And we don't know that lunch should be that way. Like we thought that I thought that that's the Japanese style, but it wasn't.
Okay. I think that's
Okay.
fine.
Alright, sorry, I didn't focus enough. Sorry for that. I think we're good. Are we good?
I think so, but I think we need to put a little bit
More. A little bit more, alright. How about
because it's too
milk?
sticky.
Okay.
Not sticky, too
Watery?
watery.
Okay. Though we didn't put water, right?
Mm.
So it's too milky
Too milky.
or creamy. I don't know. We need to make it stiff or something. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So we're back again.
Onegaishimasu.
Okay, we're back with this hack. What a hack! All right. So we're hitting two birds at one stone. Just pour everything. I think it's fine. I don't mind.
But it will be. Yeah, that's
It's okay. Whatever you say, boss. Okay.
well, it's my first time.
It's my first time as well. It's everybody's first time. Charbaki.
Okay.
So I think this is banana bread.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah.
As long as it's not poisonous, we can eat it, and it's no budget show, so it's totally fine.
Shall I
What?
slice some and then just put it
Yeah, like tidbits.
Mm.
Yeah, sure.
so that we can really taste?
Like there's banana, it's banana bread or banana cake. Alright, so we're gonna put the butter. Smooth like... Okay, yes.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Ayaw ko ba kuanta?
Dito mo copyright, di mo tayo nindot tingog.
Para na rin sa mga nindot o tingog.
Para sa mga nindot tingog ang copyright.
Oh.
By the
I
way,
wasn't informed.
it's okay. Wala naman silang announcement dun. Just for everybody, no, I'm trying to help you. They're not just holding the camera.
Yay! It looks so yummy.
Oh, sorry!
It's fine.
Okay. I need to hold the camera na. Zhazhang!
Yum yum.
Everything is like white or yellowish from this point of view.
Wow!
Wow!
And if it's too...
Too much?
No, not like tabang. We can just put... You have some like...
I
choco-
have chocolate syrup, so if it's not that sweet, we can put... Why don't we put a little bit of salt just to have a taste? Because I believe salt will give it a balance, you know,
Okay.
char. Pinch.
Alright.
And if we put Ajinomoto, that's a different story. Just salt. Right. Magic salt.
Yay! I think it's ready.
Yeah, I think so.
Mm.
Oh my
Yum.
goodness. Okay, so we're gonna get our tray.
We don't need to put wax paper.
We need wax paper? Okay, let's get wax paper.
But I'm not sure. Maybe that's fine.
I don't know.
Maybe that's fine.
Are we sure?
Mm.
Okay.
Look at the picture here. Did they put?
Can I see it? They didn't. Okay, anyway. Let's just write it. Why don't we put one without wax paper and one with wax paper and the other is half. Weird.
Good idea.
Okay. Let me get wax paper. Okay. Let me hold this. Okay.
This one first.
This first. Okay. Everything creaks. So it's no oven. So where are we gonna bake this one?
Microwave.
Microwave.
Yeah.
Ready? We don't ready. We don't have oven, so we will be using microwave. Close it. And
600.
600. How many minutes? There's 10. 10. And then
Start.
start.
Gani?
Okay.
Tumarimas ni.
Yes, start.
Ano? Ano?
I don't know. Okay.
Ooh, good luck.
Oh, there. 10 minutes.
10 years later.
Good morning.
Morning.
Alright, so today now we will try our banana cake or banana bread. Alright,
Next.
you will cut. You cut, I eat. Char. Yes. Here you are. Thank you.
Mmm.
Nice, yo.
Mmm. Smells good.
Yes, smells good. I'm ready to eat.
This is the hard part.
Yeah, because there's that crispy something.
Whoa!
I think that's the butter.
So crispy. Smooth like butter.
Criminal undercover.
Like a criminal undercover.
Cheers. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
It's soft and hard at the same time.
Mmm.
Mm.
Not bad.
Not bad.
You can really taste the banana.
Mm-hmm. And I think it would be better if we use the ripe banana. Ripe banana. Overripe.
And the baking soda.
Yes, baking soda is important. And you can make it if you have a microwave at home. Okay, Brad. Butter, lagyan niyo dapat spread it even, no?
Kundi gani, i-melt siya una. We need to melt the butter first.
Feel na ko, ang butter, mahinungdan nga nung mag-brown. Awa, awa. Ang dami siya. Anyway, gawa tayo next time. But for now, goodbye. Thank you.
We'll continue eating.
Alright. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything. Dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.